Painting the socket yellow, a split mouth study. First, let's begin by discussing what a split mouth study is. It is one where either of the two treatments are randomly assigned to one quadrant of the mouth. It is a popular study design in oral health research as it negates any inter-individual variability. When it comes to dental procedures, extraction is perhaps one of the most dreaded by patients. Even though dentists routinely prescribe analgesics and antibiotics post extraction, patients often undergo discomfort during their recovery period. The quest to provide an uneventful healing period to the patient still continues. Healing of extraction occurs by secondary intention and is dependent on host response, oral hygiene, microbiota, and trauma, if any, during extraction. Turmeric is an ingredient found in almost every household and has been used for centuries in Ayurveda for wound healing. The main ingredient is curcumin, which has been studied extensively for its anti inflammatory, antimicrobial, anti carcinogenic, and antifibrotic properties. There are several studies which have reflected the beneficial role of curcumin in gingivitis and periodontitis. However, there is currently a limited evidence for the use of curcumin in any healing extraction socket. Therefore, the current study aims to investigate the efficacy of curcumin gel in healing of extraction sockets. This is the first split mouth study assessing both efficacy of curcumin by both subjective and objective modalities. The objective of our study was to assess inflammation and pain post-extraction after the use of curcumin gel. Our study was a prospective split-mouth case-control study conducted in the Department of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery after Institutional Ethical Committee clearance was obtained. It began in January 2020 and lasted for a period of 3 months owing to the onset of the coronavirus pandemic. Patients visiting the OPD for bilateral extractions were included, while those with any periapical pathology on a radiograph, those requiring extraction of central or lateral incisors, pregnant and lactating women, and those with a known allergy to curcumin were not included. An informed consent in English and Tamil were obtained. After ensuring complete local anesthesia, bilateral extractions were carried out under aseptic conditions. One socket was packed with gel foam coated with curcumin gel, commercially known as Cure Next, containing 10 milligrams of curcumin extract, while the contralateral socket was packed with plain gel foam alone as a placebo and secured with a figure-of-8 suture. These are the clinical pictures. This socket was packed with gel foam alone as a placebo, while this one had gel foam and curcumin. The sockets were evaluated day 3 and day 7 post extraction, and is evident on day 7 the side with curcumin has healed better. Pain was evaluated by a numerical pain scale ranging from 0 to 10, 0 being no pain and 10 being worst pain possible. Inflammation was evaluated by a scale given by Landry, Turnbull, and Howley, including tissue color, response to palpation, granulation tissue formation, and incision margin. Healing index ranged from 1 to 5, 1 being very poor and 5 being excellent. The statistical analysis between the two groups was done using a paired t-test. Within group comparison was made using an unpaired t-test, and the result was computed using SPSS software. The result: healing was significantly better on the curcumin side than the control side on day 3 and 7. Similarly, pain was less intense on the curcumin side on the 3rd as well as the 7th day. This is a graphical representation of the mean healing and pain scores on the 3rd and 7th day for test and control groups. The test group had a mean healing score of 3.52 and the control 2.86. On the 7th day of healing, the test group had a mean score of 4.38 and the control 3.62. 3rd day pain of test group was 1.86 and the control 2.86, and on the 7th day test group was 0.81 and the control group was 1.71. This is a graphical representation of within group comparisons. So curcumin has been used for centuries now and has gained attention in modern medicine, which is evident by 3,000 publications that have been published in the last 25 years, but none of them have been a split mouth study indicating the use of curcumin for healing extraction wounds. Several mechanisms have been proposed for the beneficial roles of curcumin, one of them being the down-regulation of nuclear factor kappa beta, which decreases oxidative stress. On day 3 and day 7, the mean healing scores of our study were higher on the curcumin treated side than the control side, this values being statistically significant. Nagashri et al. Found similar healing benefits of curcumin in patients with chronic periodontitis. Our findings were also similar to a study conducted by Molina et al., who found lower pain scores on oral administration of curcumin after third molar surgery compared to oral mefenamic acid. So, to conclude, the current study demonstrates the beneficial role of curcumin in healing extraction sockets. Clinicians must explore the use of curcumin as a post-extraction medicament, especially in cases of multiple or traumatic extractions. Further studies with a large sample size can justify its role as post-extraction routine medicament. Thank you. These are my references.